Okay guys, so after using a blower, okay, using a blower to make dry, pure dry, so the glue is although immediately dry also, okay, all the surrounding area, okay, then check it, okay, it's totally dry from here, okay. So we're getting rush for this repairing because our our memory is getting weak. Okay, so we can start now by using this glue. Okay, just to finish this vlog. Okay. Just relax. Make me patient. Okay. Squeeze it. Okay. Press it. Okay. If you have no too much glue, so we need to squeeze it well. Okay. This by using this squeeze push in the hole. Okay, squeeze this by scraper and push it there, going to the hole. Okay, if you know a lots of glue. Okay, so almost done. Even the glue is almost done. See, like squeezing like this, pushing in the hole. Nothing. One more. Okay. One more pushing, going the hole. Okay. This is cheap only. Only a couple of months to use this. It's cheaper. It's like almost $3. Yeah, it's done. It's done. Okay. So This is the next we use it. Okay. Okay. So wide was better. Okay, we spread here to cover the mold, but it's not broken, so it's okay. Connect the joint, spread it there. Okay. We build up this to become uh, become good, no leaks. We need to build up this. Okay. So first coating. Okay. So because the damaged hole, so we use take it the glue here instead here. It's a broken. It's like a toothpaste. Okay. So for there, soft glue, not a silicone. Okay. So important, we cover the hole because of wide damage. Okay. Wide damage of the gap. It's a double ply. like in welding, 3 layers, 2 layers. Okay, so become wide. Use the other finger. Okay, so become wide. Then put here. So can you use again before wash your hand? Okay, that's the basically technique how to remove in your finger. Put in the scraper. Okay. See, easy. That's the use of scraper. This is scraper is how many project we used this before. So until now, still alive and kicking. See? No need a fancy repair because this is only a temporary and repair, not restoring, replace the bathtub. It's the whole house, only the whole house, not a brand new house. Okay, old bathtub. Okay, old bathtub, not restoring the bathtub, only restoring the glue. Cover the mold area. Okay, that's the best thing to do to become new. Cover the black area. Don't worry under the mess. It's easy by scraper. It's the most important, no leaks in the basement or in the floor. So if you want 100% good, you buy a new wall, buy a new bathtub, but only the glue problem. No other choice, only like this. Store the glue, okay, just like that. No need other issue why it's like this, like that, because it's not totally new. If you want new bathtub, okay, that's the best thing to do to remove the mold, the damaged area from the back, from the bottom. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay. Important we cover only the hole, okay, until tomorrow. That's the most important in this vlog. Okay. just share only my ideas and knowledge and experience how to return the glue and cover the big hole. Okay. That's it.
Look, Papa, what are you doing?
What do you think? Okay. Okay, guys. So we wait until tomorrow after dry. This is how you fix your bathtub issue in the leaks. Okay. It's white. Okay. Because we are not using a silicone. It's a glue for door and bathtub or window. Okay. That's what we use today. Not a silicone. But there's a not successful. How many weeks or month we need to replace again by glue. Okay. So for now, just spread it just to cover the hole. Okay. From here, here, the damaged area. Okay. So okay guys, so this is our vlog for today. How to repair the other issue of the hole from the wall and in the bottom. Okay, I make wide because I need to sure the water not coming in inside. Okay, in the mold area I will cover the white so it become good. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, see you guys. I hope this video for vlog for tonight you like it. How to restore the glue in your bathtub just to cover the hole. Okay. So if there's an issue like this, ripping out. It's easy even it's dry. Okay. So okay guys, so that's it for now. And if you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming video for this week until tomorrow for my YouTube channel. And click again likes or comments or share for this video so you updated to my YouTube channel until next week for vlog this video about tips how to save your money, how to fix your bathtub temporary or permanently, because this is only a solution for the whole of the edge of the wall between bathtub and the wall. Okay, see you guys. I hope you like this video and good night.